Now let's go ahead and talk about counting up the coins. So when we count the coins, we start with the largest value coins first, and then we work our way down. So first, we would count up however many quarters we have, whether we have 1 quarter or 2 quarters or 3 quarters or 4 quarters. We start with the quarters and count by 25. Then we start counting on the dimes. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So every time we had a dime, we will count up 10 more. It's like skip counting. Then we would add our nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So every time we have a nickel, we would count up 5 more. And then finally, we would add up all our pennies and add those on at the end. A penny's worth 1 cent. So remember, this is just skip counting, which we've done all year long in second grade. So quarters, we skip count first by 25. So that would be 25, 50, 75, and then 100. And then dimes, we just skip count up by tens. And then we skip count by fives for every nickel, and then ones for every penny. So let's go ahead and practice. Let's take a look at this. So if we had a quarter, a dime, 2 nickels, and a penny, here's how we would skip count. We start with the quarter, which is 25. We don't have any more quarters. We do have a dime. The value is 10, so now we're going to skip count. 25, 10 more than that is 35. Now we go up to our nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So 5 more than 35 is 40, and 5 more than 40 is 45. And then we have a penny, so we just go up one more, and we find our total of 46 cents. So 25, 10 more is 35. 5 more takes us to 40. 5 more is 45. And then 1 more is 46. So let's go ahead and practice this together. If you would like to get a piece of paper and try them on your own, you can. So let's take a look here. I have a quarter. I have another quarter, it's just the back of it. And then we have 1 dime. A quarter is 25. Another quarter is 25. And the dime is 10. So 25, go up 25 more, which is 50. And then a dime is 10, so we go up 10 more. That would give us an answer of, oops, let me get rid of that, all those things there, and we have an answer of 60 cents. So again, 25, 50, 10 more is 60. Let's go ahead and move to the next one. Let's take a look at this purse. How much money is in my purse? Now, I'm going to get rid of this. I can't get rid of the dollar sign over there. It won't let me, but we're going to go ahead and put this just in cents. So I'm going to put a little shape over my money sign here so that way we can get rid of it because I don't want to write it that. Okay, we have 25. Another quarter is another 25. Another dime now is 10. Another dime is another 10, and then 1 and 1. So let's go ahead and skip count. 25, another 25 is 50. So 2 quarters is 50. A dime is 10, so 10 more than that is 60. Another dime is 10 more, that's 70. And then 71, 72. So let's try that again. 25, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. So I get an answer of 72 cents. And I don't know where to find my cent symbol on here, so we're just going to write 72. I'll write the word cents on that instead, because we can always write the word. So we have 72 cents. All right, let's take a look at this next piggy bank and let's try to figure it out. If you'd like, at any time, you can pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. Okay, we have a quarter, 2 dimes, and a penny. So let's go ahead and count up. A quarter is 25 cents. Each dime is 10, and then a penny is 1. So we have 25, 35, 45, 46. I'm going to do that again. 25, 10 more is 35, 10 more is 45, and a penny is 46. So for this one, we have 46 cents. All right, now let's go ahead and go shopping. So I have some jam and it costs 72 cents. Oh boy, don't I wish jam cost 72 cents for real? Wouldn't that be great? It doesn't, but let's just pretend in our world. So 72 cents. So I'm going to start with my quarters and let's figure out how much I need to buy the jam. So 1/4, that is 25. Let's keep going. Another quarter is 50. So I could keep going. Can I do another quarter? 25, 50. Uh-oh, that's 75. I don't want 3/4, so I'm going to get rid of that. So now we have 50. Now let's go ahead and start going up by dimes. They're 10. So we have 50. That's going to be 60. Another dime is 70. And I know if I try to do another dime, I'm going to be way over because I only need 72 cents. So now I'm at 70. Could I put a nickel down here? What would happen? Well, that would make 75 cents. So that's too high. I don't need that nickel. So we're just going to move on to pennies. So we have 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. And so for my jam, I'm going to use 2/4, 2 dimes, and 2 pennies. All right, let's go shopping again. This time we're going to buy a bunch of grapes for 36 cents. Wow, that is amazing. 36 cents. Here we go. A quarter. That is 25. Can I use another quarter? Nope, that would be too high. So we have 25. A dime is going to be 35. Well, I'm almost there. And a penny makes 36. So that is 36 cents. Let's try a different way because that's not the only way. What if I did a dime, another dime, and another dime? I skip count by tens. That would be 10, 20, 30. And this time I'm going to use a nickel. That's going to be 35. And a penny is 36. Does that make 36? It sure does. So that's another way that I can make 36 cents. So there's not just more than one right answer. So go ahead and move on to the next slide, and you're going to practice trying to figure out the coin values.